Hello everyone. Welcome to Spring Boot REST Tutorial Episode 7. This is my channel Proto Hub. In this video, I will explain you on what is cacheable in REST architecture principles. Every response sent by the server should contain the information regarding its cache. Below is the syntax on how to set a cache to the server's response. If a response is cacheable, then the client can return the data from its cache for an equivalent request. It doesn't need to send another new request. Now, let us see the uses of cache. Data can be maintained in cache for specified period of time. It improves availability and performance. It also reduces the need of unnecessary requests. Thus, in this video, I have explained you on what is cacheability in REST. In the next video, I will explain you on what is layered system in REST. See you in the next video. Bye.